Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Pro. This powerful page builder will transform the way you design WordPress websites, giving you complete control over your site's appearance without needing to write any code. Let's walk through the setup process together. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage your entire website. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the Plugins option. Click on it, then select Add Plugin from the drop-down menu that appears. This section is your gateway to extending WordPress functionality with powerful tools like Elementor. In the plugin search bar, type Elementor. You'll see several results pop up, but make sure you're looking at the official Elementor plugin. It should have millions of active installations and excellent reviews. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After the installation completes, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Go ahead and click it. Activating the plugin makes it live on your site and ready to use. This step is crucial because simply installing without activating won't give you access to Elementor's features. Now that the free version is activated, let's move on to upgrading to Elementor Pro. Head back to the Plugins section in your sidebar, and this time click on Installed Plugins. This will show you a list of all the plugins currently on your WordPress site. Scroll down through this list until you find Elementor. You'll notice that beneath the plugin name, there's a submenu with several options. From this submenu, click on Get Elementor Pro. This will take you to a detailed page showcasing all the premium features that come with the Pro version. Here, you'll see the different pricing plans available, each offering various levels of support and the number of sites you can use the license on. Take a moment to review these options carefully and choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. You've now successfully installed Elementor and accessed the upgrade path to Pro. With Elementor Pro, you'll unlock advanced widgets, theme building capabilities, and professional design tools that will elevate your website to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.